The next area that I am going to be teaching you how to set up, and this is a really important one because these are going to be your live links which sit in this intro section. Now these are vital because these are going to be the first thing, because they're little hyperlinks and they sit there with a little hyperlink color and the line under them. So these are probably going to be the first thing that people click on to sort of learn more about you. So to do that, over in this section here, we are going to go edit details. Down in the bottom corner, we're going to hit update your information. And down the side, we are going to go contact and basic information. And it will bring up all of this here. So let's add a website first. And let's add some social links. And I'm just going to change this drop down to, there's heaps in here. So you might have a YouTube. Definitely pop in all your social links. What else are we going to pop in? Let's put in Twitch. Beautiful. And then just hit save. Awesome. Now, if we go back to our homepage, you will see all of those links appear down here, and I can click on those now and they're going to directly take me to the website. So you might decide that you want to have multiple websites, which you can definitely do. So say that I wanted one to be Mason Design Group, and it's a redirect that goes to her group. So you can really put in all the links here. See how that one's appeared there, and it's got the little icon of the website. You can really add all your links in here, and it's going to be a great way to sort of grow and build your audience, especially if you're very active in the Facebook groups, because people will want to know more about you and they're going to look at your profile, and these are going to be the first links that they can click on.